go for the first time to ocean first, and we go to some, I don't know, La Memo J.O. restaurant. So just keep following us. Thank you.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart.